Here we are going to learn how to design rose and attach it to GELE. You can use measurements between 10 to 15 centimeters depending on the size of rose that you want to design. Let us use 15 as an example. Then begin to fold like this. Make sure to be making prints such as this. Fold this last print inside so that it doesn't start peeling off. Rearrange and try to rearrange the print to have the same height. Then begin to fold. Put this inside and continue folding. Now begin to release the flower as you still keep folding it. On this last one, make a stitch to hold firm of the rose. Now our rose is ready to be attached on our GELE. Let us go ahead now and attach it on the GELE. Choose any position on the GELE of your choice and attach your rose there. Make sure to hold firm of the rose, and that's how to design and attach your rose on your GELE. See, our GELE is now looking on.